country to visit in Africa?
It depends on what you are looking for and what you want to experience.
Like in the rural areas, you know, like where they living off the land, you know what I'm saying? Like where everything is all natural. And
then you should go to Ghana,
Yeah, I want to experience Africa, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to go like to the Americanized part, you know what I'm saying, where everything is all high tech. Like, I want to visit like.
Then you go to South Africa.
You said South Africa?
Yeah.
No, you said you don't want to experience like the high tech.
No, I want it. I don't want to experience.
You don't want to experience the high tech. Oh, okay.
Like
When
they make stuff by hand.
The LA of Africa is the South Africa and all those areas.
I'm gonna go to rural areas.
Yeah, so
you know what I'm saying, where everybody, you know what I'm saying, they got like the clay houses.
The clay houses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I want to see that part.
Yeah.
Look, I just don't want to, you know what I'm saying, like come in contact with the livestock. You know what I'm saying, like the
no, you see stray goats and all that.
Yeah,
you will experience it.
I want to be with the hyenas and you know what I'm
No.
saying.
Those ones are all the way in the forest. They're not on the street.
I want to go to that part.
You see how Detroit is, how they see tea and everything. That's just like when you go to Africa. Same. It's just that they don't show you on TV. They show you like
it's
the same thing. Like whatever is here is way back home. And you'll be surprised.
They made Africa to be like, grass houses, people running around with bones with their nose.
And you'll be surprised to find out that your celebrities here, they have a lot of their own houses back in Africa, the Jay-Z's and all that. They've all of them.
To buy property over there, like could you buy property over there?
I would say it's cheaper than the US.
To buy a house?
Yeah, Ghana and the US, I'm comparing. It's cheaper than the US. Yeah, but for us Ghanaians, it's expensive. But if you have American money, you can, really survive there.
A ballpark figure, like
it depends. You can find some as low. You can find some as low as.
So you got to buy the land first, then build on the land, or
you can buy the land and build. That's cheaper. But we have real estate companies that have already built the house, which is expensive, But if you buy the land and you build, it's cheap.
I don't know like the rules and you know what I'm saying, like the rules and regulations and how to how to buy it, because I want to buy some land and just.
I think it's the same thing everywhere in the world, I guess.
I just don't want to get scammed. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. You need.
I got this.
You can be scammed easily as a foreigner in another country. So you just have to.
You got American money.
Especially when they realize you are from America, it's easy to be scammed. It's nice. You guys should travel around, especially Africa.
I'm definitely going to
learn a lot.
Because my daughter, she got a job for Delta. So she's a flight attendant, so I can just fly free. But if I go across the world, whatever, I gotta pay the taxes on it.
Oh, nice.
Then you should go.
That's my
You should go in December. They are in Ghana in December. So December is like packed for Ghana, Accra especially, Accra, the capital. So the Davidos and all that, every year in December, they are in Ghana. Yeah, Thames. Everybody, they are in Ghana. Oh, okay. You've been to Ghana?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's nice. The Afrochella?
Yeah,
good. So he can tell you.
2-3 years ago? Yeah, recently I met him.
Yeah, that's good.
And then we were, Mostly the Ghanaian, the party start in December, from 1st. So it's like a whole calendar for festivities, from 1st December to like January 3rd.
The whole month.
Yeah, so basically.
I'm gonna go ahead. Man, I gotta go ahead.
Hey, you gotta go, bro. You gotta go.
So can you tell me, why were you in Ghana? What year did you go?
I think it was, let's see, whenever the year Burna Boy was there.
I think that was 2022. 2022 December. Yeah, did you enjoy
I
yourself?
love it. I mean, I love anywhere in the continent. Yeah, Ghana. I'm actually trying to go back this year. So yeah, I love. It's like when you step off the plane, and when you touch the soil, you can just. It feels very spiritual.
Yeah. Oh wow.
And it's just beautiful to see people like you. That's like that's the population.
Exactly.
Yeah, and it's a love. Everybody's like family. I can see like my uncles. I mean, I see people and I'm like, yo, you look like my uncle. You look like my cousin. The food, the culture, just the whole vibe and the energy is like.
Nice. You like the food?
Oh my God.
So
yes.
which one did you try? Like which food did you try?
I don't know what it's. I don't know what actually it's called, but
You can describe it.
I mean, what is the rice that they? Because it's not
Jollof rice?
Yeah, but isn't there another one too?
Jollof rice, and then you got fried rice, and then
So it must have been jollof rice. Yeah.
it was red.
Yeah, it was red.
Yeah, it's jollof rice.
Yeah,
You like the jollof
yeah,
rice?
I love it,
Yeah.
yeah.
What you eat it with? Plantain.
Plantain. I think I had like some. I had some goat with it too.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Was you scared to eat the goat?
No, I eat goat. I love goat.
Right,
I eat
exactly.
goat soup, everything.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Did you try like any of the swallow foods, like fufu, bamboo?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, so I was just wondering, I always wondered, like, I want to know how to make it, actually.
Okay. Okay, yeah. You learn how to make it?
That's what I want to learn.
You want to learn? Oh, okay. You didn't take any cooking classes? Next time you go, you got to take some cooking classes. And they'll teach you how to pound the fufu, like what it's made of and everything. And you'll be able to pound it yourself and everything.
Because what is it made out of?
So fufu, Ghanaian fufu is made of cassava and plantain.
Okay.
Yeah, so what they do is they boil the cassava and the plantain till it's soft, and then they pound it with like this long, what's it called, that thing that you use to pound fufu? That stick you use to pound fufu? What is it called? So what is it in the Ghanaian language? Woma. Yeah. It's called woma, yeah. So they use that to pound the fufu. While you're pounding it, like someone is stirring it. Like they're sitting down and they're stirring it while you're pounding it, and it becomes soft that way. Yeah.
Yeah, nah, it's really good, man. I did all of the touristy stuff, like the.
You went to Cape Coast Castle?
Yeah.
Good.
I cried. Like,
Yeah, it's crazy. And you know, if you go to the Charles H. Wright Museum, you'll see like a replica of the Cape Coast Castle, the dungeons. Yeah, I've been there like as a kid, but then I went there, I took him there the other day, and then I realized like, wow, they really replicated the dungeons from the Cape Coast Castle.
And it's really powerful. Like,
Yeah.
You can feel the spirit.
Yeah, you can.
You know? I definitely love it. And I have friends that's from there and that actually still have property there. But I'm very interested in like doing citizenship.
Okay.
So I want to figure out how to make that happen.
Okay, good. Very good. So, me too. I'm also trying to do that. But in order to do that, you have to live in Ghana for 5 years. Yeah. So I was there for 4 years. I couldn't wait another year. So. Yeah, that's good. I'm glad you were able to visit the motherland. That's good.
Yes, I've been to Nigeria. I did a study abroad when I was in college.
Nice.
In South Africa.
Okay. Did you like Nigeria?
I love Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah,
Which one did you like better? Nigeria or Ghana?
Some is different. It's different. Probably Ghana.
It's more peaceful.
So much poverty in Nigeria. Like, it's crazy, like the gap of like poverty and people, the small amount of people that got money, and a lot of it. You know, a lot of them don't actually live amongst the people who get money. Like I just didn't like that. But I love Nigeria. I've been to Kenya.
Okay.
I've been to Morocco.
Okay.
I mean, I want to go to every country in the continent. So I trace my DNA. I'm from my people from Congo.
Nice.
Congo.
Okay.
I've never been. So
Now you gotta go. Have you seen their dance, the traditional Congolese dance? I love it. The little hip roll. Okay, that's nice. Very good. I'm glad that you were able to visit the motherland, and you've been to more countries than me there. Because I think I've only been to Ethiopia and Ghana. So.
Okay, I want to go to Ethiopia.
Yeah. Have you had Ethiopian food?
Oh yeah, I love. That's my favorite food. My friend actually is Ethiopian. She has she caters.
Okay.
She's actually opening up her own shop.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. That's good. So, thank you so much for the interview.
Yeah, sure.